In today's video, we're going to be looking at bamboo plants, and basically how to tell if a bamboo plant has died or is about to die, and in most cases, it should be pretty obvious. The example that I'm going to be using today is one bamboo plant with 3 different stalks. In this case, you'll see that there are 3 stalks, 1, 2, and 3. Now, neither of these have been sealed. This was actually purchased at a retail store, and I've purposely let it dry out to give you an idea of how a bamboo plant looks when it dies. So, when I purchased it, they never sealed the top, so they never put any wax on the top. So eventually it will dry out, and it will rot. And that's exactly what's happened to 2 of these. Now, the third one, as you can tell, obviously has some green leaves on it. And for a majority of it, it is green, and then we have some other pieces that have actually dried out and rotted. So what I want to do is just pull these plants out of their substrate and have a look at the roots to tell if they're dying or if they're dead. So let's go ahead and just empty this. Okay, so after you've emptied it, I'm just going to now separate all 3 of these plants. Now, you'll see a bunch of guck on there. Basically, that is the flower balls that you can get from flower stores. Basically, it helps to keep the moisture on the roots. Now, this plant here, you'll see that there are a couple of white ones. Well, the white ones are just rotted out. They're dead. So this plant here is completely dead if it's not obvious enough. So I'll just put that aside. This one here, again, same thing. In fact, all of this is dead. No kind of white spots at all. Now this one here was the one that, curiously, we were interested in to see if maybe there is still life in it. And let me just have a look here. You'll see if I bring it up really close, you do see some white roots in there. Now those white roots, you'd think are ones that are alive and that are prospering and growing and keeping this plant alive. Now, unfortunately, it's not. Now, just to be on the safe side, what I'm going to do is, as I said, a majority of this plant has already died. So I would typically just take this and throw it out. It looks like it's dying or it is dead. To be on the safe side, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to rinse out this container here, take this, put it into the water, and help it to possibly grow some roots. Basically, I'm isolating this one plant in this container and putting it into water to help it. Now, I'm not going to add any substrate to it, which is this stuff here, basically any rocks. I'm not putting any of that stuff in there, simply because I want it to develop a root system. What I am going to do is I'm going to get rid of a lot of this stuff that's mixed in with the roots, because I don't know if that's helping it or hindering it. So I just want to get rid of that, wash it all out, and put it into this container. So that's what I'll be doing now, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll give you an update on this little bamboo plant. Hopefully it does survive. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the viewing. If you have any questions or comments about the video, please do post it. I will answer you in a prompt manner. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like this video, you probably like some others that I've produced. Please do subscribe. Thanks again for watching.